If you've been wanting to get a little bit more organized in your kitchen, do a little bit more meal planning and meal prepping, then this week's blog is for you. This is going to help you get a little bit more creative, a little bit more confident, and a little bit more organized. So, this week's blog is all about really simple tips that are going to help to create stress-free meal prep and meal planning. And so, when you're doing batch cooking and you're getting organized for the week, you're really setting yourself up for success. However, it can feel overwhelming. It can feel like a lot of work. And so these are some tips I use with myself, my clients, to really set ourselves up for a better, smoother process and journey. So I'm going to give you some steps. I'm going to give you some creativity ideas. And I also have lots of recipes inside my blog that you can use to get started. I hope you enjoy it. If you're just meeting for the first time, my name is Kayleen. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness. I work with women that want to boost their energy and lose weight by really setting up a stronger foundation. Simple, healthy habits. No fad diets, no quick fixes, just really basic, strong foundations. And that's what I'm going to do with you in this blog. So I hope you enjoy it. Head on over, be sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you over there.